Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you the error first and then we will troubleshoot the issue step by step. Now let me turn on my PC and then I will show you the error. So it is trying to boot and you can see your PC ran into a problem, needs to restart. In your case, error code could be different, but we are going to fix this issue step by step. So watch this video till end and follow the steps carefully. So you can see it is automatically going to preparing automatic repair loop. So let's talk about the cause of this error. So there are multiple reasons behind this error, but the main one is if you have recently changed the hardware, hard disk, RAM, Windows corruption. If you install any game or third party software, after that you are facing the blue screen of death. And also if the recent Windows update failed on your Windows some registry editor and those are corrupted. Also if there are any bad sectors and file corruption on your hard drive or SSD, so you may get this issue as well. So let's start to fix the issue guys. So first of all you need to get this screen automatic repair if it is not coming up automatically. How you can get it? You need to forcefully shut down your system 2 to 3 times as soon as the window logo appears. Let me show you the one time. First of all, proper shut down your system by pressing and holding the power button for 30 seconds. And once the computer is completely shut down, you need to turn it on again. And as soon as the window logo appears, you need to forcefully shut down it like this. And again, turn it on. And once the window logo appears and it start loading, you just need to press the power button. Once you repeat this 2 to 3 times correctly, you should able to see the automatic repair options. So this is a loading screen. You need to shut it down and again it is coming up. And you should see this screen now. You just don't do anything now, just leave your system once you get this screen. Now once you get this screen, diagnosing your PC also coming up. Now whatever error you are getting, startup repair or automatic repair, you just need to click on advanced options. Here is the advanced options, and once you click on that you need to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options. Now the step number, we are going into the safe mode and we are going to uninstall the software which you have recently installed. If you haven't installed any software, so I will show you the second method now. For those who have recently installed any third-party app or software, they need to go to the safe mode. Press here F4 key in order to enable the safe mode. So this is the F4 key. You just need to press it. You should able to log in into the safe mode. If safe mode is also not coming up in your case, that means that the error is on a other label, so we need to fix that also. In my case the safe mode is working. It means that we have messed up with some settings and other third-party app has caused this issue. So you need to open the control panel from here. Just open the control panel. Okay, and go to large icons here, then go to programs and features, this option, and uninstall the recent install software. Just click on this option from up and uninstall the software which is recently installed on your Windows. Okay, failed to uninstall, and restart your system once you uninstall the application. If your window is not loading, that means Okay, still the same error is coming up in my Windows. So we have found the root cause. The error is related to the software in my case. Since we are able to log in into the safe mode, if your problem is solved with uninstalling the third-party app and reset app on your Windows, so well and good. So we are going to troubleshoot the issue with the second method. The second method is restore. We are going to restore our system into the working state. So click on here, advanced options again, repeat the same process. Okay, and this time click on system restore. So if you have made, or sometime Windows automatically makes the system restore point. So if I haven't made it, this will not work. In my case, Windows update automatically made the system restore. Next, and let's try to restore the system. Restore system will restore all the application app install on your Windows. Nothing is going to lose on your system, so you can easily restore your system. So let's try restore now. If you are getting the error, you haven't made the system restore point, select the restore point latest one and then restore your point. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. You need to wait here until it's get completed. Connect with the charger. It should not be interrupted between the process. So let me pause the video until it gets completed. Unfortunately, the system restore is also not working in my Windows, so I have to close this. Repeat the same process, advanced options, and in the step 3, click on troubleshoot, advanced options, then open the command prompt. Enter the password if you have. So let's try the sfc command, sfc space / scan now. And this command will repair the Windows corruption if we have any, but this may not fix this kind of error if the error is on a bigger level. So I will show you the how you can restore the registry, and it has found some corruption, you can see here, and it has repaired them successfully. Now once the sfc command is completed, so let me continue with Windows 11 now. Once the sfc command is done, and see if the error is fixed or not. Okay, but still the error is not fixed yet. Okay, repeat the same process again. Again open the command prompt, and now we are going to restore our registry with the backup. Windows automatically makes the Windows registry backup, so let's check that. First of all, you need to make sure that where the window has been installed, it is basically installed in the C drive, so it's good practice to see that. So type a C colon and then dir to see the directory. So if you are able to see here, program files, users, Windows, folders, so it means that you are in the right directory. If not, you can type a D then colon dir to see the directory, and you can see I'm not able to see the directory in the D drive, so let me type a D and dir. Okay, we are in the right directory now. Now we need to go to the system directory, system32, and then config. So type here the command cd space / again Windows, again / system32, again /config. So we are basically going into the this directory with the command prompt. Press enter key. Now once I press here dir to see the directory inside the config, so we should able to see the here regback. Regback is the basically folder made by the Windows in order to back up the registry automatically. So we are confirmed now we are in the right directory. So in order to go to the regback directory, type a cd space and then regback in order to navigate to that directory. Okay, this is a spelling. Press the enter key and now press here dir in order to see the directory inside it, and see I'm able to successfully see all the numbers here. I means the numeric numbers. Okay, these are the numeric numbers. If you are seeing here the 00 numbers, that means that your window has not made any registry backup, so you are not able to perform this step. So if you have 0 numbers here, just exit out or cross this, you are not able to perform this step. But if you have the directory like I have, so we can perform this step now. Cd dot dot, we need to go one directory back. Now we are in the config directory. Now you can see, so we need to rename SAM security software system. We need to rename these 5 folders which are in the config directory. So once we are on this directory, config directory, we need to basically rename 5 folders here before backup of registry. So number 1 folder is default, the second one is SAM, third one is security, fourth one is software, and then fifth one is system. So type here ren means rename, default. Okay, so we are going to default 1. This is a rename from default to default 1. Now next is ren sam 1. Now the third folder is software, rename software to software 1. If you see that already exists, you can rename it with the 2, 3 or whatever is free. Now the fourth folder is security to security 1. Press enter key. Now the fifth and final is rename system to system 1. Okay, so we have successfully renamed these 5 folders here: default, SAM, software, security, and system. Now it's time to back up the registry backup from the regback folder. Now let's type for the dir, and we should able to rename all the folders here. You can see here default 1, security, software. Now let's go back to now regback, cd reg back in order to go to the regback directory now. So we are into directory in the regback. We need to copy the registry backup from regback to config folder. We need to copy and paste. So in order to copy and paste from the registry backup into config folder, we need to type for the command copy space, press shift and 8 in order to get the asterisk dot asterisk space dot dot, press the enter key, and you need to type here all, all, you need to press here all, and now you will see 5 files have been copied successfully. Now let's go back once, cd dot dot with the previous directory config and dir. Now you can see we have successfully backup default, security, software, system. So we are close this now from here, and just turn off your PC once and then turn it on. And see whether the issue is fixed or not. Let's try now. Seems like it is booting. So finally you can see here guys, in front of you I have fixed the issue. I hope your issue is also fixed. Here I am able to successfully log in into the system. Remind me later. And now I am able to see here the screen and my issue has been fixed. If your issue is still not resolved guys, so if your issue is still not resolved guys and you haven't changed any hardware on your Windows, so you have to reset your PC. If you have changed any hardware, you can revert it back, and RAM is basically the problematic or the hard disk, so you have to replace that and insert the compatible one with the frequency and all things are matching. If you have not changed any hardware and still facing the issue, you have to reset your PC and reinstall the Windows. That is the final step for you. Press here keep my files. This will only keep your data, the personal file if you have like videos and any files on it, but MS Office and all the installed application will be wiped out and deleted, but only data will be saved, and your licensing will be also saved with resetting your PC. But if you want to reinstall the fresh window with a bootable pen drive, you have to back up your key also. And in here I suggest you to choose this option, cloud download. If you have enough data and 4 GB of data it will take. If you have limited data, go with local reinstall, and this will getting connection ready. It is not connected to the internet, so you need to connect with the Ethernet also if you have. So try here the local reinstall if you have data. Try the local reinstall if you have limited data. And this is the final warning. Change setting back to their defaults, keep personal file, reinstall window from this device, remove all the apps program that didn't come with this PC. Click on reset here, plug in the charger, and you should able to fix this issue. So these are the fixes to fix the issue guys. So I hope your issue is fixed. then hit like, subscribe and share. Also you can join the membership in order to get the exclusive video on it. If nothing is working guys, just reinstall the fresh window. So thank you, thanks for watching.